you are a police officer who is out there on the front lines doing what you got to do, investigating murder, giving your the best of your service, you ought to be paid well for your service. Defense force officer, nurses, people who are putting themselves at risk, you ought to be paid well for your service. If Justin Smith could get it, then so can you. If Justin getting his 100,000, then get his 100,000 4 times over. Because he started working in 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. This is now 2025. He's on his fifth $100,000. 200,000, sorry. So the man is nearly a millionaire. And more than likely, whatever house he applied for, he getting it. I wonder if that's if it's the house in Roxanne. Because we still want them house, we still ain't in the home. But this is what we doing. And then you want to talk about Belinda. Belinda is a soldier, a committed, dedicated person who has done what she was supposed to do. She's represented the people well, and we ought to give. And listen, BUT, support Belinda and let Belinda continue to fight for you. Because if Justin could get 200,000, you all must get 100,000. There's no way. No, if Justin Smith could get 200,000, no teacher in this country, no police officer in this country should be going home with less than $70,000, $80,000 a year. None. None. I don't know the hard working ones now. And it should still go by merit. Make sure, verify that those people are actually working. See the results. Put the systems in place to account for it. But the money is there because Justin Smith is getting it. And if Justin Smith can get it, then so can you. It is what it is. I got this list the other day and I heard Lincoln reading it. And I told him to send it to me. There's a list in relation to, let me get it. The Ministry of Health Workers for hazardous pay. They're supposed to be getting their monies. And the government can pay Justin, but have the audacity to owe these people. How in the hell? How you explain that? Huh? How you owe these people? You paying and before I even get into this, Lincoln Bain is gonna be on live tomorrow. Um and they'll be doing the meet the candidate thing, and Brian Roll, who is gonna be representing COI in Golden Isles, will be the candidate who will be presented at that event tomorrow. And Lincoln Bain at 5 p.m. And my family might be out on a drive, but I can try to make sure watch that and get that. But he provided this list, and it's a list of workers working in the government, working in the Ministry of Health, who are entitled to hazardous pay, Ministry of Health staff, hazardous allowance, and Justice Smith can get his $30,000 special allowance for a couple of years, and his $3,840 biannual allowance, and these people are still in arrest for their money, their hazardous allowance. Diane Aubrey, senior housekeeper, Marsh Harbor Clinic, they owe her $8,000. Laverne Archer, kitchen assistant at Princess Margaret Hospital, they owe her $6,200. Tamika Umbrista, clerical officer, public health in Grand Bahama, they owe her $5,700. Carolyn Bain, health aide, she's in the Andros district, they owe her $7,400. Christine Bannister, she's a porter, she's at the PMH laundry department, she's owed $4,800. Lionel Bethel, he's a driver, he's at Sanders Rehabilitation Center, he's owed $9,100. Deidre Brown, she's a ward maid at the South Beach Clinic, and she's owed $6,500. Harcourt Brown, he's a senior orderly in the Abaco district, he's owed $5,200. Monique Butler, she's an administrative assistant in the public health headquarters, she's owed $11,000.